It's time for some unboxing. We've got 2 boxes today, lots of stuff in. As always, you can contact us if you see anything you like, and we can put it on reserve. We've got some movies up, Fisherman's Friends. Let's see what this guy is. Oh, it's the complete collection of Schitt's Creek. I'm allowed to say that, it's the name. It's a good series if you're looking for something to watch. Driveways. Looks like it won a lot of awards. We have a new CD, After Hours. Let's see. Oh, this box is backwards. Guest of Honor. How about Adolphe? Oh, I see another one. Oh, we got Jumanji, and I know a few people were waiting for the next Jumanji movie. So that's in. Let's see what books we've got. All the Animals on Earth. Strangers in the Lake. Oh, J.K. Rowling's The Ichabod. The latest in the Bad Guys series. Oh, apparently it's going to be made into a movie. That's exciting for the fans. We got our Zozo Zombie series in. Come on in. 15 stories about immigration and finding home. That looks like a good one. Heather Graham, Seeing Darkness. Some Pokemon, easy readers. See what John Connolly latest looks like. The Dirty South. The Twittering Machine. I'm guessing that's about Twitter, but I could be wrong. Robin Carr. Together, The Healing Power of Human Connection. It's a good time to read that. We kind of need that right now. Women Before Wallace. Ooh. King of the Birds. Elise Gravel. She's a Canadian author. If you ever see her around the library, her books are really fun. Good reads for kids. 5 Little Indians. Michelle Good. The Fight for History by Tim Cook. Home Before Dark. Oh, Gina Showalter's latest YA, The Glass Queen. Postmark Berlin. We got another Christmas one, Donna Andrews, The Gift of the Magpie. To Tell You the Truth, Everybody Lies. Ooh. Oh, we've got Emma Donohue's in. I know a lot of patrons were waiting for that one. Yay! Stuart Woods. This feels like a large print. Nope, it's not. Tanya French, The Searcher. And Jude Devereaux, Chance of a Lifetime. So that's box number 1. Let's see what's in box number 2. Oh, we've got more CD cases in here. Lots of CDs. Chick Corea Plays. Apologies if I'm pronouncing incorrectly. Diana Krall, The Dream of You. Steve Earle and the Dukes. I think this is, yep, Janet Ivanovich Talking Book. Let's see what these ones are. Alanis Morissette. Such Pretty Forks in the Road. That's a good one. Rufus Wainwright. Ooh, the new Dixie Chicks. It's a good one. I have it on my phone. Ugh. Let's see what this talking book is. Christine Feehan, Dark Song. Sam Roberts Band. Nora Jones. We got all the music this week. Willie Nelson. Elizabeth's going to be busy. Jesus is King, Kanye West. And what do we have here? Lady Gaga. I didn't know she had another one coming out. All right, we've got Heart of Gold, a good Western paperback. Debbie Macomber. Brenda Novak, A California Christmas. Tracking a Kidnapper. Oh, cute pup. The Rakeess. Ooh, not the Rake, the Rakeess. Like Lovers Do, Tracy Livesay. Another movie. Caro Diario, Dear Diary. Cheryl Woods, Wildflower Ridge. Oh, a big, large Frank Ken Follett. Oh, another movie hiding in here. Who do we have now? The Gray Fox. Jill Anderson, Ridge Runner. Looks like she was on the long list for the Scotiabank Prize. Camp Average's latest in graphic novels. The Adventures of China Iron. Ring Shout. Ooh, that's a neat cover. Kind of creepy. We have some kids' picture books. Book the Bookstore Cat. Oh, I still think we should get a cat for the library. Oh, Pig the Pug for Pig the Slob. Ooh, it looks like he's kind of gross in that one. Two Tough Trucks Get Lost. This Pretty Planet. Look at that cover. That's gorgeous. Dear Baby in the series of our Dear Boy and Dear Girl books by the Rosenthals. Cone Cat. Poor kitty cat. Oliver Jeffers has a new picture book, What We'll Build. Oh, Guinness World of Records 2021. It was stuck in there. We'll grab that after. Dino Thanksgiving. A little late. Heroes Wear Masks. Elmo's Super Adventure. Peter and the Tree Children. Another lovely cover. Mary Louise Gay, The Three Brothers. What do we have here? Pretty Tricky, The Sneaky Ways Plants Survive. That looks like a fun nonfiction. And I believe this, yep, the Guinness World is the last one. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Look at all these great new books. Let us know if you want any on hold for you.